next task. Concrete mixer. Mixer transformed. Super truck team, let's set off. Let's complete the task. Go, go, go. Truck team, come with me. This amusement park has been abandoned for a long time. I want to renovate it. Truck team, I'll count on you. No problem. You can count on us. Super truck team, let's get to work. I am the crane. Let's assemble the aquarium first.
Subscribe to this channel for more videos.
Let's secure the support first. Aquarium is completed. I am the crane. Let's install the new cabins for the Ferris wheel. Install the cabins on the Ferris wheel. Of Ferris wheel is completed. I am the crane, and I will also be in charge of repairing broken roller coaster. Let's assemble the tracks first. Of roller coaster tracks is completed. I am the bulldozer. Let me clean up the ground before inflating the castle. Spreader. I'm good at laying lawn. Next, let's inflate the castle. Swipe up to connect the pump with the castle. Tap the button to inflate the castle. The bouncy castle is ready.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, the construction of the amusement park is completed. I'm quite satisfied with the renovated amusement park. Thank you so much. Yay!